Introducing the 2010 Ford F-150. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.